Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup email attachments automatically with Gmail rules step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. In the upper right corner, click on the gear icon to access your settings. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Create a new filter. In the Has the Words field, type Has Attachment. Click on the Create Filter button at the bottom right of the window. In the next window, check the box for Skip the inbox, archive it. Next, check the box for Apply the label. Click on Choose Label and then select New Label. Name your new label something like Email Attachments and click Create. To ensure that the new rule applies to existing emails, check the box that says Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Click the Create Filter button to finalize the rule. Now, go to Google Drive in your web browser. On the left sidebar, click on My Drive. Create a folder specifically for your email attachments. Name it clearly, for example, Email Attachment. Look for third-party apps, such as Zapier or IFT, to automate the backup. Sign up for an account with the chosen service if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to connect your Gmail account. Set up a new Zap or applet to detect new emails with your email attachments label. Select Google Drive as the action app. Choose the action to upload files to your designated folder. Map the email attachment data from Gmail to Google Drive. Test your new automation to ensure it works seamlessly. Now, any email attachments that arrive will be automatically backed up to your Google Drive folder. Check your Google Drive regularly to verify that attachments are being saved. Adjust your settings as necessary to optimize the backup process. You have now successfully set up Gmail rules to automatically back up email attachments. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your files are securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.